Once upon a time, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily loved exploring the world around her, from the bustling streets of her village to the quiet depths of the nearby forest. She always carried a trusty compass with her, its needle pointing true north and guiding her way. One sunny afternoon, Lily set off on an adventure to the beach. She skipped along the sandy path, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Reaching the shore, she was met with a breathtaking view of the vast ocean, its waves crashing and churning like giants at play. Lily was mesmerized. She ran barefoot on the wet sand, chasing seagulls and collecting seashells. But as the day wore on, the wind picked up and thick clouds covered the sky. Soon, fierce storms swept in, rain lashing down and waves towering over Lily's head. Lost and scared, Lily clutched her compass, hoping it would guide her back home. But to her dismay, the compass had fallen during the storm, its needle shattered into pieces. Without her trusty guide, Lily felt utterly lost. Tears welled up in Lily's eyes. She huddled against a rock, feeling small and alone. But then something caught her eye. A tiny crab, washed ashore by the waves, was struggling to crawl back into the sea. Lily, forgetting her own fear for a moment, gently picked up the crab and carried it back to the water's edge. As she watched it scuttle back into the waves, a warm feeling filled her chest. Even though she was lost and scared, she had helped another creature in need. Suddenly, Lily remembered her grandma's words. "True north isn't just a direction on a compass, Lily. It's also the guiding light within your heart, the voice that tells you what's right and what's wrong." Taking a deep breath, Lily stood up. She closed her eyes and listened to her inner voice. It whispered of courage, kindness, and the importance of never giving up. With renewed hope, Lily started walking. She didn't know which way was north, but she knew she had to keep moving. She climbed sand dunes, crossed rocky creeks, and followed the chirping of birds. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows on the beach, Lily saw a familiar sight: the village chimney smoke in the distance. With a burst of joy, she ran towards the village, her heart overflowing with relief. Lily had found her way back, not with a compass, but with the values that guided her heart. She learned that kindness, bravery, and hope were like a powerful compass, always pointing her in the right direction. From that day on, Lily carried her broken compass as a reminder. It wasn't just a tool for finding her way. It was a symbol of the strength and resilience she found within herself. And whenever she felt lost, she would close her eyes and listen to her inner voice, knowing that true north was always with her.